Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's the start of a new business week. Yes, it's Monday, October 6th. Last night was Sunday date night here at the Tomozik household. My day actually started preparing an apple crisp. There is a demo video. Just follow the link in this post. It was yummy. And the house smelled wonderful. Then, because Robin and I agreed, let me go back up. I made homemade gravy for biscuits and gravy. Now, if you've never done homemade gravy, it's simple, but it is so good. It's fresh. You can make it the way you like it. We like a lot of black pepper. Yeah. Yummy. Both recipes will be appearing into the group. So, today, had a little bit of a break. The Culinary Expedition continues today, and this is a 4-visit week. Today, we are starting with Belgium. Some great cyclists came out of Belgium. If you didn't know, I'm a former bike racer. You know, started out as a teen, into my 20s, took a little bit of a break, and then raced as what they call a senior, mostly in time trials. Yeah. Yeah, I followed Lance Armstrong. I followed Greg LeMond, go back, and Greg and Bernard Hinault, and so forth. Okay, I digress. Yeah. Today I'm going to be preparing from Belgium Carbonnade Flamande. I'm trying. I really. Basically, it's a braised beef stew recipe. It's a traditional recipe from Belgium. So let's get to it. Real basic. I got about a pound here of beef. I'll cut this down a little bit. Oil, of course, kosher salt, black pepper. I'll be slicing up this whole onion, garlic. What makes this particular braise unique is I'll be going out this morning and purchasing, hopefully, a dark beer. There's more beer in it than stock. Let's just put it that way. But you got to have a dark beer. It's very Belgian. A little bit of brown sugar, Dijon mustard, whole thyme, and just a skosh or two of apple cider vinegar. That's it. That simple. Do your thing with the beef. You get it nice and brown. Get the onions going, the liquids going. Put it all back together and stick it in a 300-degree oven for 2.5 to 3 hours. A low and slow braise. The beer is really going to make the difference here in the flavor. All right. On this Monday, yes, I need a haircut. Bad. On this Monday, have a great day, eat great food, and food is art.